Okay, in this lecture, I will show you the software demonstration of 1-bit comparator and 2-bit comparator, which we discussed in last lecture. So first we will see the 1-bit comparator software demonstration. Here this is uh, the test bench of the 1-bit comparator. Already we discussed in last class. Okay, now we will see this software demonstration of 1-bit comparator. So I will copy this code so that I can save it, paste it there. Okay, this is unit under test. So here I will paste this 1-bit comparator code, right? Okay. Now what I will do, I will paste the test bench code also. Okay. This is test bench comparator 1-bit UUT. And okay, 1 minute. I will add all. What I will do, I will remove this new project I will create. Okay. First I will create this Verilog module of this comparator. Okay. Now I will create one test bench. Okay. So now I will check the behavioral syntax. It is fine for the 1-bit comparator Verilog module. Also I will check the behavioral syntax. It is okay. Now I will select this test bench and I will simulate this. So 1-bit comparator will work as per this truth table. If A and B are equal, then Y0 will be high. If A is less than B, then Y1 will be high. If A is greater than B, then Y2 will be high. Okay. Right. I will expand this output Y. So this is Y0, this is Y1, this is Y2. Here it is A and B. So first condition I will check A and B, both are 0. So Y0 is 1, Y1 and Y0 is Y1 and Y2 are 0. Okay. Next condition, A is 0, B is 1, means A is less than B. So Y1 should be high. So see here, Y1 is high. Y0 is 0, Y2 is 0. Now another condition I will check. A is 1, B is 0. So A is greater than B, and under A is greater than B, Y2 is high. See, Y2 is 1 and Y1 and Y0 both are 0. Now another condition I will check, when A is 1, B is 1. A is 1, B is 1. Now both A and B are equal, so Y0 is 1. Y0 is 1 here. Y1 and Y2 are 0. So it is working perfectly for 1-bit comparator. Now I will go for the simulation of 2-bit comparison. So I will take the code from here itself, and I will paste my code in UUT. Here I will change this code. Okay. So this comparator, okay, this is 2-bit comparator. Right. Now I will take the unit under this test bench code, and I will paste it there in the test bench. So okay, in test bench here I have to write 2. Right, now it is okay. Now this comparator code I will do the behavioral check syntax. Behavioral check syntax of my 2-bit comparator code. It is okay. Now I will check the syntax of test bench. It is also okay. Now I will run the simulation. So in this case also, if A is greater than B, if A is equal to B, then Y0 will be high. If A is less than B, Y1 is high. If A is greater than B, Y2 is high. So we'll see here now. Okay, I will expand this. Okay, here you see the value of A is 0, 0. The value of B is 0, 0. You can expand this also to see what is A1 and what is A0. Otherwise, if you will not expand, then also you are getting these values, right? So A is 0, 0, B is 0, 0. So both numbers are equal. So Y0, this is high, this is 1. Remaining two are 0. Next condition we will check. See here, A is 0, 1 and B is 0, 0. So A is greater than B. So in this case, if A is greater than B, then Y2 is 1 and Y0 and Y1 are 0. Okay, we will see another condition. If A is 1, 0 and B is 1, 1, means A is less than B. So under this condition, Y1 should high. So see here, Y1 is high. Y0 is 0 and Y2 is 0. Okay, another condition, A and B both are 1, 1. So Y0 is 1 and Y1 and Y2 are 0. So in this way, this code is perfectly showing the functionality of comparison of two 2-bit numbers. Okay.